All these images were created entirely for free and without limitations using artificial intelligence.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
After testing numerous websites, I must say, enjoyed Perchance.com. Perchance has some fantastic features. Today I want to explore the feature that allows you to convert text into images. These tutorials are incredibly practical and useful in any field you're working in, especially for content creators seeking an endless resource for generating images. Let's visit the Perchance website. Perchance is an open-source website with free and unlimited access. It features language plugins that can automatically generate prompts based on your ideas. You can use Perchance without logging in as well. Here, you write the prompt for generating content. This section is for writing negative prompts. This option provides random ideas. Here, you write down your idea, and Perchance generates and expands the prompt based on it. Perchance supports various styles. The number of images it can generate simultaneously is up to 12. And this is the scratchpad where you can gather your prompts and codes. Let's test it. For example, if I want to describe a beautiful flower-filled field under a blue sky. Now it generates the prompt based on that. Select the style you prefer. I selected the camera angle, color, and effects. And you see how quickly it creates the content. Now just by changing the style to anime while keeping the same description. Pay attention. When you change the style, you'll see different options. Each style has its unique features. Let's choose the Attack on Titan style for the anime. And apply the multi-view effect. And that's it. Easy peasy. If you click on the heart icon at the bottom left of each image, a menu will open with options. From there, you can place the image in a public gallery or save it. The eye option at the top right of each image allows you to view and modify the prompt and other information. You can make changes there and then refresh to generate the image with the new modifications. This website is great for practicing and exploring different styles. It's completely unlimited and free to use. Finally, let's explore several designs with different styles. This website is really helpful and I hope you'll enjoy it too. I look forward to sharing more about its interesting features in my future videos. Thanks for watching the AI Madam channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. See you next time, buddies. Bye-bye, and lots of love.